I saw him working.
I was thinking, maybe in 3 years you open a typewriter school.
A typewriter repair school.
Yeah.
Okay.
Teach people, you know,
Let's
a
see.
little income.
I am gonna do something, you know, down the road. I don't know what. I'm just gonna see how it unfolds and see what opportunities kind of roll around. And my first day of retirement, all my brothers are taking me out golfing for the day. So I got a nice course up in New Hampshire for the day tomorrow. So that's something we've done for, I got 4 younger brothers who are all retired.
Yes, yeah.
And that's what we've done. As everyone retired, the first day of retirement we go golfing.
Excellent.